Breaking free, Etienne Lombard. The chain around Eliza's ankle had grown heavier with each passing year. Not a physical chain, something worse. Invisible tethers of obligation, fear, and the crushing weight of others' expectations. You should be grateful, her mother would say, lips pursed in that familiar way. Most would kill for your position. Eliza nodded, as she always did, while something withered inside her. The library was her sanctuary. Between dusty shelves and forgotten tomes, she discovered worlds where women like her chose differently, where they didn't marry successful but cold men like Richard, where they didn't abandon dreams of art school for practical accounting degrees. On Tuesday, the letter arrived, thick cream paper, the university's embossed seal glinting in the afternoon light. Full scholarship. The arts program she'd secretly applied to 6 months ago, using money she'd skimmed from grocery budgets. "What's that?" Richard asked from the doorway, briefcase in hand, eyes narrowed. Eliza felt the familiar tightening in her chest, the chain pulling. "Nothing important," she said, sliding the letter beneath a magazine. That night, she lay awake beside Richard's sleeping form, counting breaths, counting reason, counting costs. At dawn, she packed one bag, just essentials, the acceptance letter, her sketchbooks, the silver locket from her grandmother, the only person who'd ever told her to fly. She left the engagement ring on the kitchen counter beside a note with only 5 words. I chose a different story. The morning air hit her face like a revelation as she walked towards the bus station. Each step lighter than the last, the chain still dragged behind her. It would for years. But with every determined stride, another link weakened, rusted, broke away. As the bus pulled from the station, carrying her towards a canvas still blank, Eliza pressed her forehead against the cool window and watched her old life shrink into the distance. For the first time in 27 years, she could breathe all the way down to her toes.